What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be playing with my knob. Right, so as I say, we're going to be playing with my knob, and no, you dirty boys and girls, not my penile. We are going to be fitting this knob. So, if yours hasn't already, if you just come down here and not in a dirty way, if you take a look at my knob, gear knob, these tend to come off in second or fourth and hit your, whoever is in your passenger seat or yourself. It tends to come off and hit you in the head or fly into the back.
Like it has with me.
And it'll just disappear and it'll just come off. Or you've got to fight with them to get them off. Now, this one has already decided to come off and hit me in the head, and it's come off a few times on Kim and gone into the footwell. And when you're trying to bend down and try find it, not paying attention to what you're doing, Kim, whilst you're driving.
I don't do stuff like that.
So I think I ended up stupidly gluing this.
Oh,
or
you put cardboard in it.
Put cardboard in it. Yeah, that's a good solution. So if yours ever comes off, put cardboard on it, because it's still on and it hasn't come off. But as soon as we're going more track orientated, we're going to be leaving a standard gator on, and we're going to be sticking this little knob on. My knob comes with a little screw hole. We've got like, it's basically the same one on the Corsa, isn't it?
Yeah, I think mine's bigger than yours though.
My dad's bigger than yours. So yeah, it's got a little screw on inside, and in here it's an eBay special. It's not none of this fancy stuff. I can't afford that. So we've got an eBay special again. It comes with 3 little adapters and some holes that are bigger than some. You know, when you go to town and you get some with bigger holes than some. We've got us knob and we've got us holes. What we're going to be doing, I'm going to try give this a yank. Stop laughing at me jokes. You still recording?
Yeah.
Oh God. Right, so I'm going to give my knob a yank. You want to grab hold of it with both hands? Oh, it's just we just had a pre-ejaculation right there. So it looks like my cardboard
It's disappeared.
It
Definitely had cardboard on it.
It had something in it. It looks a bit gooey, does that?
It's probably because it's been sat. Nice. I'm not even going to say what that looks like.
Yeah, that's... Right, yeah. And
Look at his face.
I'm so embarrassed, it's never happened before. I'm going to have to go get a cloth and wipe this mess up. Right, so we've got that cleaned off and I've put my knob to the side. I'm now pulling these holes out and finding out which one is going to fit. So that thread's going to have to be upwards. That one's too tight. That one's... What do I say that's going to fit? No, that's just a bit too tight.
See, this is when I said that I had to whack it on Corsa.
Yeah, I think we're getting there. We're getting there.
Just that snappy stick.
Hey. That hurts, does that? You snap your stick.
Don't get it stuck.
I'm going to use my other knob.
Also what I did. It's not going any further in.
No, I'd say we're at its peak entrance. So we're going to get my knob now and I'm going to screw that on. There we go, we've got one bigger knob in place and I am very happy because I didn't think that was going to be much higher when it was on, but
it is.
That was like down here, wasn't it?
Mm.
So now we can just go to be able to get.
So what's your solution with the gap?
Just send it. Just gonna send it. I'm not bothered about appearance in this, to be fair. So yeah.
You could always spray that black.
So I mean, like, if we take the camera a minute, like, the difference there is now, if you look at it from like my perspective, it's like it's just, it's literally there. Whereas before, because the knob was down here, it's like, it's not much of a difference, but I can literally, it's there, and it feels, if all a bit more precise with that. It's weird. It's.
I said too that they were.
Yeah.
Just a lot smoother.
Yeah. I don't know if it's because obviously if you grab it like that, it feels a bit thin on the tip. But when you manhandle it like that with hand, it feels right.
Because Rose can.
She said it before I could. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video of me fitting my knob to my car, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and
make it different.
Whatever you're doing today, remember to make it different. See you later. I'm off to go play with my knob.